Welcome to a beginner's guide on how financial markets really work. Financial markets are places where money and assets like stocks, bonds, and currencies are traded. Think of them as a huge marketplace where investors buy and sell financial products every day. There are four main types of financial markets: the stock market, bond market, forex market, and derivatives market. The stock market lets you buy a piece of a company. If the company does well, so might your investment. In the bond market, you lend money to companies or governments, and they pay you back with interest. The forex market is where currencies are exchanged. It's the largest and most liquid market in the world. Derivatives are contracts whose value is based on something else, like a stock or commodity. These markets help companies raise money, create jobs, and allow investors to build wealth. From individuals to big banks, and even governments, millions of people participate in financial markets every day. Prices are driven by supply and demand. More buyers than sellers, prices usually go up. All investments carry some risk, but generally, more risk means more potential reward. Even if you don't invest, financial markets still affect your loans, savings, and daily life. In short, financial markets move money around the world and shape our economy. Understanding them is the first step toward financial freedom. If you learned something new, hit like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.